Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Flow is warning customers to brace for slower broadband speeds if the current pace of demand continues. Country Manager Stephen Price made the announcement while making a presentation at the Rotary Club of Kingston yesterday. Flow says it is experiencing an unprecedented growth in traffic. Country Manager Stephen Price says the company has things under control for now, but he notes that things could change if the current conditions are prolonged. The company came under extreme pressure about 2 weeks ago when the Prime Minister took the decision to close schools, forcing students and teachers to work from home by connecting via the internet. Since that time, Mr. Price says the company has put measures in place to extend its capacity to respond to the additional demand. He says Flow will continue to monitor the network to ensure that its service quality remains high. In the meantime, Flow notes that the slowdown in broadband speed is not unusual, pointing to other networks around the world responding in a similar way. Additionally, major players such as Netflix, YouTube, and Facebook are all responding by lowering the quality of their video to avoid global network congestion. Scotiabank says although it has allowed some customers to defer payments, interest on the loans will continue to accrue. The bank explained that this also includes any loan insurance premiums due. Scotiabank says customers are obligated to make the payments at a later point in the loan's cycle. Under its customer assistance program, Scotiabank is allowing borrowers affected by COVID-19 to defer payments for up to 6 months. First Rock Capital Holdings has acquired 3.43 acres of land from Deno Estates. Deno is a subsidiary of Panjam Investment. The property was purchased for $5 million. The Gleaner Company Media is providing unrestricted access to its publications for the next 3 months to frontline workers in the COVID-19 fight. Gleaner says this is for doctors, nurses, policemen and women, soldiers, as well as teachers who are impacted by school closures. The offer, done through their respective associations, provides them with access to the exact electric replica of the printed newspaper daily, including all stories, notices, advertisements, and classifieds. To currency trading now. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.93. The Canadian dollar $98.20. The pound sterling sells for $169.60, while the euro is going for $150.15. The JSE index gained 4,394 points today, and the junior market index is up by 11 points. Among the winners were Siboney Group, Key Insurance, SSL Venture Capital, Sagicor Select Funds, Manufacturing and Distribution, and the Jamaica Producers Group. On the losing side were Mailpac, Berger Paints, Cygnus Credit Investments, US and Jamaican dollar shares, and Sterling Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.